say more English.
I'm looking for a jacket on this website.
You can use the search bar to find it.
What should I type to search for shoes?
You can type the style or the brand name.
Can I see the details in the pictures?
Yes, you can zoom in on the images.
How much does this bag cost?
It costs $30.
Which one is cheaper, this phone case or that one?
This one is $5 cheaper.
Is there any discount on this item?
Yes, it is 10% off today.
Is this item on sale?
Yes, it says sale next to the price.
Is this item still in stock?
Yes, it's still in stock.
Can I return it for free if I don't like it?
Yes, you can return it for free.
Where can I read the product description?
It's below the pictures.
I'm not sure if this size will fit me.
You can check the size chart.
What colors are available for this sweater?
It comes in black, blue, and gray.
Do they have this in red?
No, red is not available.
What material is this made of?
It is made of cotton.
Is this jacket good for winter?
Yes, it is warm enough for cold weather.
How do I use this kitchen tool?
The steps are in the description.
Is this product good for beginners?
Yes, it is easy to start with.
Is this machine easy to use?
Yes, it has simple buttons.
Should I read the customer reviews first?
Yes, reviews can be helpful.
What is the rating?
It has a 4-star rating.
Do you think these reviews are real?
They look real to me.
Do other buyers recommend this item?
Yes, many people recommend it.
Do reviews mention any size problems?
Some say it runs small, so you may need a bigger size.
Do reviews talk about the quality?
Yes, most say the quality is good.
What do people say about shipping speed?
Many say it arrives fast.
I'm not sure if I should trust the reviews.
You can read both good and bad ones.
Should I add this item to my cart?
Yes, you can add it now.
How do I remove an item from the cart?
Click Remove to delete it.
Can I change the quantity in my cart?
Yes, you can update the number.
I forgot what is in my cart.
You can open the cart to check.
Why is it out of stock now?
Someone else bought the last one.
Should I buy it now or wait for sale?
I think you should buy it now.
How do I save this item for later?
Click Save for later.
What payment methods can I choose?
You can choose card or PayPal.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, credit cards are accepted.
Can I use my debit card?
Yes, debit cards work too.
Where do I enter my payment details?
Enter them on this page.
My payment didn't go through.
You can try again.
Is it safe to pay on this site?
Yes, it's safe.
How do I know my payment is successful?
You will see a confirmation message.
Where do I enter my shipping address?
Enter it during checkout.
Can I change my delivery address?
Yes, you can edit it now.
How long does standard shipping take?
It takes 5 to 7 days.
When will my order arrive?
The date is shown here.
My package hasn't arrived yet.
You can track it online.
Where can I check the tracking info?
Click the tracking link.
It says delivered, but I didn't get it.
You should contact customer service.
I got an order confirmation email.
That means your order went through.
Where can I find my order number?
It is in the email.
Is everything in my order correct?
Yes, all items are listed.
Is the total price correct?
Yes, it matches the summary.
Is the delivery date confirmed?
Yes, it is confirmed.
Should I save my order details?
Yes, save them for later.
I forgot my order status.
You can check it in your account.
Can I cancel my order now?
Yes, if it hasn't shipped.
Why can't I cancel my order?
It has already shipped.
How do I return this item?
Start a return request online.
How do I ask for a refund?
Choose the refund option.
The item doesn't fit me.
You can return it.
I don't understand the return steps.
Customer service can explain them.
When will I get my refund?
It usually takes a few days.
I can't log into my account.
Check your email and password.
I forgot my password.
You can reset it.
How do I reset my password?
Click the Forgot Password link.
Can I update my account details?
Yes, go to Account Settings.
How do I change my email address?
Edit it in your profile.
Where can I see my past orders?
They are in your order history.
Why is my account locked?
You tried to log in too many times.
What is the return policy?
You can return it within 30 days.
I want to report a problem.
Please contact customer service.
Why is support taking so long to reply?
They may be busy right now.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Where do I enter a promo code?
Enter it at checkout.
Why does my promo code not work?
It may be expired.
Should I sign up for membership?
You can get extra discounts.
Is there a discount for first orders?
Yes, new buyers get a discount.
How do reward points work?
You earn points when you buy.
Can I use points for a discount?
Yes, points can lower the price.
Should I wait for a sale?
You can wait if you want.
The website is loading very slowly.
Try refreshing the page.
The product images will not load.
Check your internet connection.
The page is frozen.
Refresh the page to continue.